Water is in my carport all the way up to the corner of my car. That never happens. That never happens. Feels like winter. Saw my neighbor out back. I saw my neighbor out back. She's got a dog, so she probably didn't want to leave. Well, there's no branches down yet. Wow, that's a real gust. It's hardly raining. No branches broke off. Hey, I'm outside. I don't have no hat. It would have just blown away. I really got to hold on to my cell phone. The wind's still blowing the same way. It's out of the northeast. There's my neighbor's car. I got some branches down over there. Little ones. A cupcake for my birthday. My hurricane cupcakes. So I think I'll have a chocolate and a vanilla. And I have one chocolate and one vanilla. Buy one, get one free, but the chocolate was the only ones they had. They had tons of vanilla. I think the chocolate ones were upside down or sideways or something. Oh well, it was free, so what do you want for free?
I thought it was going to come out at 5. Yep,
It is. That is the culprit right there. 3:30 in the morning, I heard something hit the roof. And then after it hit the roof, I heard like it rolling. So the wind pushed it off the roof. Look at that. Well, there was some tree trimming last night done by the hurricane. I thought there was going to be a lot more tree trimming than that. September 29th, that's what I got left on my cupcakes. I just had 2 cupcakes this morning. One chocolate and one vanilla. My mom goes, "What are you doing?" I go, "I'm eating a cupcake." And she goes, 10 o'clock in the morning? I go, "I just lived through a damn hurricane. I'll have one." Those are some pretty good Publix cupcakes. Those are minis. It's time to start putting everything back and taking the branches out back, out front. Okay. Well, don't lock yet. I'm coming back in. What? Yeah, shut the door. But no, I'm not ready to go. Okay, that's all that fell. Not that much. Well, that's a pretty big branch. I thought one of these big branches was going to snap off. I thought one of those would break. Out of my car. See what I wanted? I wanted this. This is the door to my grandfather's jewelry store. That thing is heavy. I did not want anything to happen to that. That's all there is right there. 2 little branches. I thought the whole tree was going to be down. Still blowing. I thought that whole tree was going to fall. Or one big branch. The battery charger on my battery because I'm not driving very much, but I'm hitting the lock button and I'm hitting the lights a lot, so that they're coming on and off a lot. So I'm turning on the light switches, so that uses up a lot of electricity. So I might as well give it a full charge. Who knows what's open? Maybe nothing. Actually, isn't any gas stations that have gas. Listen to it. I did not want the storm to get this. Yeah. Out of the house since I moved here 5 years ago. We'll take a ride and see what's open. So maybe I can have Jersey Mike's tonight. Let's see what happened down here. Pretty much nothing. I don't see any damage. I'm using this cell phone because my computer, I can't get to it. So I can't use my computer to edit the videos. So I just use this. My cell phone. Straight to edit, straight up. Just in the Jersey Mike's parking lot, and they are closed. And it looks like Publix is closed too. It's right over there. There's a gas station that's open. I'm going to go down to Racetrack gas station and see if they're open. I'm going to get some milk if they got some. I'm like out. This whole place is closed. I don't know, maybe they don't have any power. If you don't have any power, you can't be open. Boy, nothing is open here. It's closed there. Nothing on this road is open. It's all closed. Who knows, maybe they got no power. Right up here is the gas station. Well, this gas station right here, Racetrack, they're closed too. Everybody's closed. They had power though. The doors were locked. I had to go a couple of miles north, but finally I found a 7-Eleven that was open and it had 2% milk. And that's better than nothing. And I got some Kit Kats too. I stopped at that gas station because I went a little bit farther north and there's not one thing open. Not one gas station, nothing. So who knows if they would even have milk. Well, I got 2% milk. I can mix my chocolate milk powder with it. I would say start rationing the food. McDonald's was open and a 7-Eleven, and that's it. Nothing else. So if I thought I was having Jersey Mike's tonight on September 29th, no, I'm not. And I think that's it for the video. Normally, I would be using that right there. But it's a big pain in the butt. Hey, there's the mailman. The mail lady. Can't believe she's delivering mail. Hey, you can get mail, but you can't eat. I have somebody send me some food. And that's it for the video. If you live in Fort Myers, it does not look like this. That's all I got for a pile. I was in the back and I was raking up all the branches. It's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Still blowing. That's it. There's a lot of little branches in there too. Here's Leah's bed. It hasn't been out of the back bedroom since we moved here 5 years ago. Now I gotta take it apart and put it back in the back bedroom. Some of the pictures on the walls. So Leah's bed was always right back here. The smoke detector. I put a new battery in it and it's making a weird noise. Like it's shorting out or something. So I gotta go to Home Depot and get a new smoke detector. And that's it.